Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, sit down. Who is on duty today?
I'm on duty today.
Who is absent today, mother?
Nobody is absent today.
Okay, thank you, sit down. Let's start our lesson. Model 9.
Cough. Double somebody's size.
Double somebody's size.
Dressing room.
Dressing room.
Extend.
Extend.
Furry.
Furry.
In good shape.
In good shape.
Living statue.
Living statue.
Mine.
Mine.
Still.
Still.
Swing.
Swing.
Take a rest.
Take a rest.
Tolerant.
Tolerant.
Wink.
Wink.
Okay, have a main sentence about our new words. Further, please.
A living statue of Christiana Clarkson. Christiana Clarkson Termusun.
Okay, please.
The actresses enter the dressing room.
Okay. Mohan.
Most cough eat not stop.
Jonathan, please.
There is a specialty living statue.
Okay. Good Walton.
I have a cough.
Okay. William, please.
You have to be rated to be living secretary specialist.
Okay. Sanders, please.
There are living sculptures in all cities.
Sculptures.
Sculptures.
Okay. Strange jobs, unusual looks. Let's read the text. Jonathan, can you please?
After she wakes up most mornings, Christina Clarkson spends an hour and a half covering her skin with body paint. Christina is an actress, but not an ordinary
Fat. I am.
when she's not performing in the
Yeah.
theater, she works at living
Stage. Your man, please.
After getting in the hair, put she this goes on to component print and it's at then working to stay on.
Box one to stand on.
Christiana plays many different statues, but the most popular one is an antique Greek statue.
Christina.
For this book of silver point and wears a musky print.
Usually she works for an hour at a time. Then she has to take a rest. Also standing very still sounds like an easy job. It is actually really tiring, and you have to be in good shape. Timing and great science of how to make people laugh.
Sometimes when people are
Watching.
she sprays the waking, cooking, or sudden morning.
Christina says that occasionally little children are with street of living statues, but eventually they all want to have their accomplished.
Extreme jobs, extreme looks. Look at these people. Why do you think they look like this? They are wearing costumes for their jobs. It is quite common to dress up to earn a living, especially in the world of entertainment. Some people go to extreme lengths to look like the characters they play. Christina Clarkson is not an ordinary actress. She works in the theatre, but in her spare time she does another job. She is a living statue. She stands as still as possible, just like a statue in a busy street. It takes about 90 minutes for Christina to cover her skin with body painting to become a living statue. She needs to be quite fit to stand in the same theme park mascot. When he arrives at work, he goes to the dressing room to change into his work clothes. He hasn't got an ordinary work uniform though. Joe dresses up as the Disney character Pluto. He has to wear this furry outfit and heavy mask for 8 hours every day.
False. Why is the watching video? Who will read? Go there, please.
Christina Clarkson gave up her job as an actress to be a living statue.
True or false?
True.
True. Okay. Kami, mother. Janet, please.
Christina needs about 90 minutes to cover her body with body paint. True. May I?
Please.
Christina stays in the same position for a long time. True.
아주 좋고 모양은 가서 이제
Joy Atkins dresses up as soon as he gets to work. False.
False, okay.
So what is speaking to the visitors at Disney World?
Disney World, Disney Standard. Standard.
So it takes a lot of what this which children press it is
Different characters. Okay. False, okay. Agree. Check. Christina Clarkson gave up her job as an actress as to be a living statue.
No.
No. False.
False.
Okay, false. Read the text and answer the questions. Which of the entertainers, A or B? A, Christina. B, Joy. Our job is
What on
the streets.
the street?
Christina or Joy? Who walks
Joy.
on the streets?
Joy.
Dresses as a cartoon character. Joy.
Christina. What about? Who? Christina or Joy? Wears mask at work. Je vous sta mask here.
Joy. And how to get ready for work? Christina.
Christina. Janet.
Has to rest every hour. Christina.
Christina, okay. Okay, thank you. Let's do our next task.
Members of
Complete the text with the words below.
Listen,
Came.
living.
Living.
To be good.
Good shape. Good.
Good shape.
Still.
Steve.
Winking.
Okay.
Dressing.
Speak. Okay, well done, Miss Pat. Speak.
Swim.
Double.
Double. Let's do exercise 4. Complete with the words.
Stand still.
Living room.
More clothes.
Okay, Janet, please.
Easy job.
Easy job. Okay. Okay. Number 5. What about this? Very
Question.
question. Please.
Dressing room.
Okay. What about exercise 7? Jobs. Compound nouns. What is in compound nouns? Usually stress the first part of the compound noun. For example, police,
Office.
officer, Fashion designer. Train driver. Okay.
Yeah.
The first one. What that means?
Security guard.
Security guard. Okay. Can you sit down? Yes, makeup artist. Makeup artist. Well done. Okay. Travel agent.
Computer background.
Computer. What about social? Bus. Pilot. Bus driver.
Shop assistant.
Shop assistant.
Bus driver.
Bus driver.
Graphic
Graphic
design.
design.
Graphic design.
Designer.
Makeup artist. Travel agent. Social worker. Airline pilot. Shop assistant. Graphic designer. Computer programmer. Bus driver. Personal trainer. TV presenter. Heart surgeon.
So, choose 3 jobs and write about them as an example. For example,
A security guard works shifts. He works under pressure and gets low wages.
okay. Good.
A makeup artist works full time. She gets high wages.
Well done. Very good. Jana, please.
A computer programmer with
Who's the next is a fellow?
A football mascot works outdoors at sports
What's
stadiums.
the motion?
He or she works weekends during matches and sometimes during the week in the evenings. He or she has to be fit, have a sense of humor, and be patient. The job is not well paid, but rewarding, especially if you like football.
I get this.
Job ready. Bagi out.
Out.
Yeah.
Would you allow please?
What is
Walks. Very active.
for
Force. And then?
Five.
Jana, please.
6 like.
6 slides.
three
Okay, open your vocabulary workbooks. Your common task, exercise 1. Use hints as the pictures to do the crossword. Exercise 2. Use some of your answer from exercise 1, complete the sentence. And exercise 3. Use the words in the list and complete the sentence. Okay. Our lesson is over. Thank you. Goodbye. Your work well done. Your work well. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.